Tired of auto-punctuation on your iPhone? While this feature can be useful, it may not be for everyone. If you want to turn it on or off, you're in the right place. This guide will show you how to manage this setting quickly and easily. Let's dive in. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Keyboard. Find the Smart Punctuation toggle in the list of options. Toggle on to enable auto-punctuation. The switch will turn green. Or toggle off to disable it. The switch will turn gray. Test by typing in any app, such as Messages or Notes, to check if the punctuation is applied automatically. That's all. These steps will help you easily customize punctuation while typing on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more simple iPhone tips. Turn on notifications so you won't miss any new videos. See you next time.